This little thing shoots 8K video.
It's okay.
And apparently it can follow you around like your own personal Kim Kardashian camera crew. So let's go test it and see if it's a game changer or a gimmick.
Fly. Start hovering. Oh!
This video is sponsored by HOVERAir, so it's not a review of this drone, it's a showcase letting you know what it can do.
I need a knife. You got one?
I don't have a knife. Do you have a knife?
Hover camera X1 Pro Max skiing combo. We're gonna go to the skis.
Something definitely. What is that? It's
Get the Soul Girl started up.
Yeah, oh, no, don't do that. Don't do that. That'll hurt the engine.
Drone, power case, beacon, and joystick. Okay, this little case is kind of interesting.
Yeah, what's
Oh, there's more goodies in here. Power adapter.
Power adapter?
Because this is the ski combo.
NDs, everybody loves her. Thermo Smart Battery. That's nice.
That's good. Push.
Push.
Push. It's a boy.
Whoa.
What actually?
Whoa.
Keeps the battery from getting too cold. Oh yeah, thermo.
Wait, who is this guy?
How did he get in our studio?
HOVERAir X1 Pro Max. Dude, that thing looks, whoa. Look at those guards on it. Like they could go through a bush.
A magnet box is crazy.
Wow, they put time in this.
Yeah, that makes a lot more sense.
Whoa.
Oh, it's very light.
Oh, what the frick?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Whoa.
Oh, that's how it flies. All right, boys, should we go fly?
Let's go fly this thing.
Fly this thing.
Putting it through a bush or not?
We
actually should.
We're bushing.
It has to.
We're bushing huge.
We're going bushwhacking.
We have to.
Joe, are you ready to fly?
I'm ready to fly this drone.
So we have the thermal case.
Thermal case.
This will keep your battery from depleting quickly if it's in a cold environment.
True
This is
that.
the ski combo. 2 extra batteries and the thermal batteries. This is the controller, which is fun. You can kind of just fold it like this. Looks like a little transformer. I'm coming, boys!
You pinch these two.
Pinch his tits. Excuse me.
It's just 3 pieces, and then so it's like in terms of portability, I can put this in my pants.
You have like really small pants too, and it can still fit.
Yeah, small pants. Except that's an awful large device. Do you think that's for an iPad? No, phone.
That's gotta be a phone. Fly so high. The design is foldable, and we were wondering like, why the heck does this thing have to fold? Because it doesn't change the size that much, but it makes sense for the thermal case. That's how it slips into here. Folds up, goes in there, and then it locks.
A lot of plastic around the blades for protection. What that means is that Zach will be flying this through a bush.
We have to log in. We have to make it a count.
Wait, I'm activating.
It wants me to turn off my Bluetooth.
Hold these until blue.
It's searching for the hover.
Oh.
Oh, it's turning on?
Oh. Now it says,
Activation successful.
oh, it's blue. It's nice that this kit comes with ND filters for the drone. If you want to fly with an accurate shutter speed, get that nice cinematic motion. Oh, also this has a feed. This has an image feed on it.
Is it really?
Hey Alexa, turn on.
Fly.
Start hovering.
Let's quickly chat specs because this little thing is packing some serious heat. Like 2006 Miami Heat Dwayne Wade.
Wade pulls up. Bang!
D-Wade, if you ever want to collab, I'll come on your podcast, just saying. So first of all, it films in 8K. 8K is actually more useful in a 4K video timeline because you can zoom in 100% and not lose any 4K resolution. So it's just an amazing tool in post-production. And it's also nice if you want to crop your videos into horizontal for social media without losing resolution either. So you can choose, do you want to go horizontal for something like YouTube, vertical for something like Tink Tonk? Well, this little drone can give you both options in post. It's rated at 42 kilometers per hour follow speed and 60 kilometers per hour tracking speed. I don't know what those numbers mean because I'm an American, but it sounds fast. Using the HOVERAir app will give you access to instant playback and editing features, and this thing can also shoot photos if you need them from the sky, which is always fun.
So back to the tutorial. Number 1 of 5, position the camera towards your face. Don't cover the lens with your finger or other objects. Number 2, short press to take off. Short press that boy. When it takes off, remove your hand.
Joe, tell me it's gonna be okay.
It's gonna be okay.
It's okay.
Place your hand 8 inches below the hover and it will land in your hand. Do it, I dare you. Crazy.
That's
All right.
actually so cool.
We don't even have the controller.
We don't.
We gotta get the controller.
Who needs it? It says hover track on.
Controller.
Ooh, orbit mode?
Here you go.
I'm gonna go ahead and ignore your instructions.
Okay. What's it doing?
It's gonna orbit us, I think.
No way.
We're filming a client video of like these guys, they're like, yeah, so we're building this building over here.
Yeah.
Here's the blueprints we have. This is really cool. So if you look right here, this is where my
It's
dog
incredible.
studio is gonna be.
Yeah. Here. Oh, here we go.
I love the count.
It's gonna work now.
Yeah, baby.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
It's very easy to fly. If I stop, it just hovers. It's so cute. It's so easy to fly, genuinely. This is actually cool because like I don't have the phone attached to the controller.
Yeah, you actually can fly without
And
it.
the feed on here, yes, the screen is small, but I prefer to not use an app if I don't have to. Oh, come here, baby. Whoa! That's cool.
Sponsored by HOVERAir.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
Oh my God. Oh, wow. That's pretty good.
Whoa! Whoa! It's kind of scary. If you're like a runner, you want to document your form? Whoa. I'm very curious what the footage looks like. And it does automatically stop recording when it lands in your hand. The top module of the drone body itself is the battery, which is kind of cool. So I think I can just pop that out, skibbity goo, plug this in, tap once to see your power, 97%, hold down to turn it on. We're good, baby. Other brands can be hard to change batteries because you have to take the propellers outward, like move them, and then pinch and pull the battery out. This one's super fast to change battery. Let's talk about the convenience factor. As a solo shooter myself, obviously I have some friends that I shoot with once in a while, but a lot of the time I'm working by myself. And having something this convenient is really helpful. Let's say you're on vacation. You don't have to do that awkward, hey, can you come shoot this photo of my family and it's definitely gonna look terrible? You can throw your HOVERAir drone into the sky and snap a photo or a video or an orbit shot of your family. It's really cool. And a lot of times I'm trying to film behind the scenes of myself filming other videos and projects, which can be quite difficult when most cameras just have to live on a tripod. But if I bring the HOVERAir along with me, I can just launch it up and set it up to either follow me or do an orbit around me or just kind of chill behind me and get some cool aerial shots. It's useful in a lot of different situations, but I think for me personally, as a solo creator, that's where I would get the most use out of it. So I think that's a win. We're gonna do some more HOVERAir tests now that I'm by myself in my backyard. More isolated experiment area. Let's try it. It's a little dusty from when we hit the ground. No worries, no worries. Okay. It is recording. It just auto started recording. And I'm not even using the controller right now, which is cool. I mean, this is working. Indy, can I see your ball? I'm just gonna put this in my back pocket. Ready? Good girl, Indy. Come here. Oh, it went lower? Whoa. That's kind of crazy, huh? Nova, stop. Novi, stop. Oh my gosh. The landing works so well. What is dolly track? That's gotta look cool. I do really like that I can fully operate this thing without any app and any controller. Obviously, I have to use the app to get it up and running initially. The fact that I can just choose my mode, it shows me how close it's gonna follow and if it's gonna be flat, low, or high. And it's auto records as well. So this is hover mode, so it's not gonna go forward and backward, it's just gonna stay where it's at. Like there's so many different little use cases. It's very cool. I wanna experiment a little bit more with the manual flying on this thing. So I'm gonna power up the controller, which is such a wild design, but works.
Home point updated.
There's no side sensor, but I did just hit that object, and because the plastic is covering the propellers, it didn't stop the drone from flying. I'm gonna bump into a tree now. All right, I am going to fly into this tree lightly. It just bounces off. That does fine, honestly. I'm not hitting it very hard, but I don't want to break it. Okay, if you hit it harder, it still recovers, which is kind of cool. It's so cute. I mean, it's very easy to fly. That's what's fun about it. Nova's really trying to get it. Can I film straight down? Oh, I can. That's awesome. Okay. Initial quick impressions. I wouldn't use this for anything too extreme, but the fact that it has such good tracking for just personal stuff like this. It is a little loud though, so I think it could be intimidating in like high population areas, like a busy park or something like that. I want to know, what do you guys think about this drone? Is it actually something you could see yourself using? What do you think of the image quality? At the very least, click the top link in my description or pinned comment to check this out for yourself. Text me when you get home so I know you're safe, and please watch out for deer. Support me on Patreon to get your names at the end of my videos, all my digital assets for free, past and future, and access to monthly gear giveaways of actual quality gear. Join the Discord server for some nerdy tech friends. And remember that you guys are absolutely loved, much more than you might even know. You're genuinely incredible. God bless you guys. Bye.
Sponsored by HOVERAir.